Hello students, today we are going to start class first, subject computer, chapter 4. Know the keyboard. A keyboard is used for typing on a computer. When typing a text with the help of keyboard, the cursor blinks from its current position on the screen. So today we learn about the keyboard. Have you seen this keyboard in your desktop? When we are typing in the keyboard and the keyboard gives command to monitor, so that on monitor screen we see what we type, what we say, whatever we have to write, we write from the keyboard. हमें जो भी लिखना होता है वो हम किस पे लिखते हैं, किसको टाइपिंग करते हैं, कीबोर्ड पे, बिकॉज कीबोर्ड हैव अल्फ़ाबेट, नंबर कीज एंड सम स्पेशल कीज ऑल्सो. So keys on a keyboard, the buttons on the keyboard are called keys. The keyboards के ऊपर जो buttons होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, keys. There are 3 types of keys on a computer keyboard. They have 3 type of keys on keyboard. First is alphabet keys, second one is number keys, and the third one is a special key. The spelling of alphabet key is ALPHABET, alphabet, KEYS, keys, NUMBER, number, KEYS, keys. Then special key, SPECIAL, special, KEYS, keys. Now turn your page. Now first we will learn about alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used to type letters and sentences. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. So alphabet keys are used for writing. We can type a letters and the sentences, and there are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. The letters in the keyboard are not arranged in alphabetical order, but the letters on keyboard are not arranged in alphabetical orders. When we press a letter, it gets displayed on the monitor. When we press the letter and we see on a monitor. Now number keys. The number keys are used to type numbers from 0 to 9. So in keyboard they have only the numbers from 0 to 9. There are 2 sets of numbers keys on a computer keyboard. You can see they have 2 types, first form and the second form. Now special keys. The special keys are used to perform special function on a keyboard. Some commonly used special keys are spacebar key, enter key, backspace key, caps lock key and deleted key. Okay, now you can see the keys over here, spacebar key, enter key. Okay, they have 2 type of enters. Now spacebar key, it is the longest key on the keyboard, and this is the longest key on a keyboard. When we press the spacebar key, a blank space gets added. This is more helpful to type sentences. When we want a blank space, so we will press space bar. So mostly this is using for the sentences. When we type the sentences, we want the space, so we will click on the space bar. Now enter key. There are 2 enter keys with different shapes. They have 2 different type of shapes, enter key first and the second one. When we press the enter key, the cursor moves to the next line. Now backspace key behaves like an eraser. When we press this key, the letter to the left of the cursor gets deleted. When we are writing something, so the spelling mistake, so we can click on backspace key, so the letter will erase, and it is using as a eraser. Okay, now caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type capital letter. When we press on cap lock key, it's used for a capital letters. When we press the key, the caps lock light gets turn on. Now the type letter appear in a capital letter. When we click on a caps lock, so there is a small light. If it's turned on, so all the letter will come on a capital letters. Now delete key. The delete key erases the text present on the right of the cursor. When we press this key, letter to the right of the cursor get deleted. So delete key is for deleting something. Okay, so today we complete the chapter 4. Now just mark down the difficult words: cursor, keys, alphabetical, alphabet key, number key, special keys. Now sentences, keyboard, arranged, monitor, spacebar key, caps lock key, enter key, delete key, backspace key. Okay, this is your difficult words. You have to do these difficult words in your copy. Now come to the exercise. First, fill in the blanks. When we press the dash key, it moves the cursor to the next line, which enter key. The spelling of enter key is E-N-T-E-R, enter, K-E-Y, key. Second, a computer keyboard has dash, dash and dash keys, alphabet, number and special keys. The spelling A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T, alphabet, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, and the third S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Dash key behaves like an eraser, backspace, B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-E, backspace G. Now question number B. Label the following keys in the correct box. Now they have given the help box also over here, and this is your homework. You have to write the name of the keys. Okay. Now the true false. First, the backspace key is the longest key on the keyboard. No, false. Second, the number keys are used to type numbers. True. Third one, spacebar key erases the text on the right of the cursor. False. Fourth, the caps lock key is used to type capital letters. True. Now choose the correct answer. How many alphabet keys are there on keyboard? 26. How many numbers keys are there on a keyboard? 9. If you have to type 68, which keys would you use? Number keys. Now the question answers, and the question number B you have to do in copy. Okay. Which key on the keyboard help us to delete text on a computer? Delete key on the keyboard help to delete text on a computer. Now how many enter key are there on a large keyboard, there are 2 enter keys on a large keyboard. Now turn your page. Name 3 special keys on the keyboard. First, spacebar key, second, enter key, and the third, caps lock key. So you have to do your difficult words in your copy and the question number B. Okay, now turn your page, come to page number 32. Activity corner. Color the keys that make your class teacher's name in a blue color. So they have given you the keyboard, you have to color your class teacher's name on this keyboard with the blue color, and it's your homework, and you have to do this work in your book only. Okay, thank you.